Doing next question. What is the relationship between neighbors distance and radius of particle in different unit cells? So answer is, in simple cubic cell, the distance, neighbor distance, that is equal to edge length A and the radius, this is given by A by 2 or D by 2. This is in simple cubic cell. Then after simple cubic cell we have face centered cubic cell. In FCC, the relationship between distance, this is A by under root 2, or this is R is equal to A by 2 under root 2. This is for face centered cubic cell. Into, you can say it is A by under root 2, or we can solve it as 0.707A, and this can be solved as 0.3535A. Then we have for body centered cubic cell, D is equal to under root 3 upon A, under root 3 upon 2A, or this is R is equal to under root 3 upon 4 into A. So it can be solved out. Under root 3 upon 2A is 866A, and here it will be 0.433A. So these relations are to be kept in the mind for solving different numerical problem. You can be given A, you can be asked to calculate radius in simple cubic cell, body centered cubic cell and face centered cubic cell. Then we have next question, what is radius ratio? Give its importance. Now what is radius ratio? It is defined as the ratio of cationic radii to anionic radii in an ionic solid. And if we know the radius ratio, we can easily calculate the different coordination number, the structural arrangement of the ions in the crystal lattice. So first of all, we define radius ratio. That is R positive upon R negative. It is the ratio of cationic radii to anionic radii. If this radius ratio is in between 0.73 to 1, then crystal is unit cell cubic. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर अगर हम देखें 8 होता है. एग्जाम्पल देखें, सीजियम क्लोराइड इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल नोन टू अस. सीजियम ब्रोमाइड है, टेलुरियम ब्रोमाइड है. If this ratio comes out to be between 0.73 to 0.414, then octahedral arrangement is there. Coordination number 6, example is NaCl. if this ratio comes out to be between 0.414 to 0.225, then we have tetrahedral arrangement of the particle. Coordination number 4 example is ZNS. If this ratio comes between 0.225 to 0.155, then we have triangular arrangement of the particles. Coordination number 3 best known example is B2O3. So these are the examples. NaCl का example आप MgO भी ले सकते हैं, ZNS की तरह एग्जाम्पल आप ले सकते हैं, CuCl है, B2O3 इज B2O3। तो ये आपने रेडियस रेशो के बारे में जाना है सारा। What is radius ratio? It is the ratio of cationic radii to anionic radii. If the radius ratio has this range, then we have different types of arrangement. In case of the different unit cells, cubic in first case, then we have octahedral, tetrahedral and triangular arrangement by this. Then we come to the packing in solids. Next question, that will be for packing in solids. So what kind of packing we know? We'll briefly describe the packing in solids. Question number 11, discuss packing in solids. So basically packing is of two types. One is ABC type of packing or cubic closed packing. Or it is in 3D packing. In this type of packing, one layer of the sphere is placed over another layer of sphere. When second layer of sphere is kept on the voids of first layer, and then third layer is placed on the common voids of the first and second layer, then we get ABC type of arrangement. And the three layers, they are different. First layer, suppose we have this layer, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This is layer A. Then we will have this layer. This is layer B. Now this will be layer C, and it will go on. So ABC type of arrangement, and then we have second arrangement, that is AB type of arrangement or hexagonal arrangement. Hexagonal में first layer of sphere is placed on the first layer is first of all made, and then second layer is placed on the voids of the first layer, and then third layer when placed on the voids of first layer, they exactly cover the first layer. Therefore this type of packing is called as AB type of packing, and we'll see this type of packing like this. This is A layer, then we have B layer, again we come to the same. तो ये मिलेगी आपको AB टाइप की पैकिंग है। कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर हर एक लेयर में 12 ही होगा, 6, 9, यहाँ पे 3 और आ जाएंगे, 12 नंबर होगा। इसी तरह यहाँ देखिए 6 covered on this side, 7, 8, 9 and 3 on the upper side this layer के। तो coordination number of each ion will be 12। यहाँ भी coordination number 12 होगा। तो ये दो तरह की बेसिकली पैकिंग है। उसके बाद voids के बारे में हम थोड़ा जान लें। Voids, these are the empty spaces left in between the spheres during packing. If a void is covered by 3 spheres, as this void is there, it is called a triangular void. If a void is covered by 4 spheres, that is called a tetrahedral void. If void is covered by 6 spheres, जैसे ये है, इसी तरह 3 sphere ऊपर बनाए जाए, तो 6 sphere से जो void covered होता है, that is called as octahedral void. तो इसके साथ साथ हमें voids के बारे में भी थोड़ा idea लेना होगा. We have taken that idea. Then we come to another important question. What are the different structures? We have to tell their structural arrangement and different types of, let's say, the parameters of each structure. So, question number 12 is discuss some ionic solids. First of all, NaCl, if we take here, each sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride. And vice versa. So coordination number sodium हो या chloride हो, that is 6. Radius ratio अगर हम बात करें, that is 0.524. and structural arrangement अगर हम देखें, that is octahedral in NaCl. अगर हम cesium chloride की बात करें, तो each cesium ion surrounded by 8 chloride ions and vice versa. Coordination number of each cesium ion hole or chloride ion hole, that is 8. Stoichiometric ratio, that is 1:1. Formula, that is cesium chloride. Radius ratio, that is 0.73235. It shows coordination number of 8. This is cesium chloride. Then we have the third structure, that is ZnS. Coordination number of each zinc ion or sulfide ion, that is 4. Radius ratio, that is 0.414. जिंक और सल्फाइड आयंस का. उसके बाद टेट्राहेड्रल अरेंजमेंट होता है. Then we have next Na2O and CaF2. They have similar kind of structures. Coordination number of oxygen oxide ion, that is 8. Sodium ion, that is 4. यहाँ coordination number calcium ion का, that is 8. Chloride ion is 4. और ये जो है these solids have stoichiometric ratio. इसमें 2:1 है, इसमें 1:2 है. That's why this formula is CaF2. This formula is NA. This is called as fluoride structure. इसको fluoride structure के नाम से हम जानते हैं. This is called as anti-fluoride structure. So this is the structure made of ionic solids. Then we have another structure modification. ये आपके पास हो गया चौथा और पांचवा टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर. सिक्स्थ में FeO like rock salt structure. It has NaCl type of structure. उसी तरह का स्ट्रक्चर इसका होता है. अगर हम बात करें Fe2O3 की, if 2/3 of the Fe2 positive ion they are removed by Fe3 positive ion, we will get this. and if we want to Fe3O4, 1/3 of the Fe2 positive replaced by Fe3 ions, तो हमें ये स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगा। तो ये ऑक्साइड ऑफ आयरन जो है दे आर सिंपली FeO is just like NaCl. Fe2O3 can be obtained by replacing 2/3 of the Fe2 positive ion by Fe3 positive ion, and Fe3O4 can be prepared by replacing 1/3 of the Fe2 positive ions with your Fe3 positive ions. So this is regarding a few important questions of the solid state. Tomorrow we will take some other questions of the same state. Thank you very much.